All right, 2004 G35 coupe. I spun a bearing and I had to rebuild the engine. And just to show you guys how the timing, how to do the timing on this engine, the 3.5 liter VQ. All right, these are the marks right here. That's one mark. Over here, here, same thing for here. And this mark has to line up with this little notch right here on the case. And there's another notch right here. And this has to be in line with this. Same thing with over here. Has to be in line with that little notch. The same notch is the same notch up here on the case. And this gotta line up. Everything gotta line up with that. And this key has to be lined up with that mark, but it's gonna be a little bit off. It's not gonna be direct. It's gonna be, you gotta use this one right here. This gear, this one right here. Yeah, it's not gonna be, you can't get it exactly, but it's gonna be top dead center, but it's not gonna be in line exactly with this. It's gonna be like this one right here. And as long as you get that lined up, and there's you gotta put, this is another mark right here. This has to be down here, but I turned the engine, that's why it's off. But that gold link has to be here with this mark. And when you turn the engine around and you line this mark up back, everything has to be lined up back. This is gonna be here. This is gonna be here. This is gonna be here. And this is gonna be here. So that's how you do the timing for a VQ engine.